how to receive notifications on inbox when people mentions you on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to receive your notification when people mention you on videos. So first go to your TikTok, click on those three buttons up there, click on setting and privacy. Now click on the second choice, which is privacy. Scroll down, click on mentions and click on the last option, which is when you are mentioned. Turn it on. And this is it guys, this is how you turn on to see who mentioned you on videos. So if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.